The square of a natural number subtracted from its cube is 48. Square is subtracted from its cube. It is nothing but 48. It is nothing but 48. So what we can easily use by using answer options. 8 cube minus 8 square. 8 cube is 512. 512 minus 8 square is 64. Thus value cannot be 48. Next one. 6 cube minus 6 square. 216 minus 36. It cannot be 48. Right? 4 cube minus 4 square. 64 minus 16, which will be 48. So answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear, right? Next one. 4 cube minus 4 cube, right? Next one. When n is divided by 6, when a number is divided by 6, remainder is 4. n is divided by 6, dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So n is 6x plus 4. n is 6x plus 4. Why it is 6x plus 4? Because the dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus 4. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here it is nothing but remainder when 2n is divided by 6. So it will become 2 into 6x plus 4 divided by 6. 12x divided by 6, remainder 0. 8 divided by 6, remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. I hope the idea is clear. 8 divided by 6, remainder is 2. Next one. Next, some easy, this is an HCF question, this is an HCF question, this is an HCF question. Right? Now, this is the idea. Now, the number which is getting divided is called dividend. This is nothing but divisor. This is nothing but quotient. This is nothing but remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will do one by one. The in a division sum, okay, the divisor is 12 times. The divisor is 12 times the quotient of 12 times the quotient. So 12x and 5 times the remainder. 5 times the remainder. So it is nothing but 5 times the remainder. If I call it as A. So dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient 12x square plus p. 12x square plus p. I hope it is clear, right? What is 12x? 12x is nothing but 5p. So what is p value? P value here it is nothing but remainder is 36. If the remainder is 36, so 12x is nothing but 180. X is nothing but 15. I hope it is clear. So answer is nothing but 12 into 15 square. 12 into 15 square plus p, how much it is value? 36. 12 into 15 square plus 36. 15 square. 15 square is 225. 12 into 225 plus 36. These are nothing but 12 into 2 plus 25 plus 36. 12 into 200 is 2400. 12 into 25 is 300 plus 36. So answer is 2736. Answer is 2736. I hope the idea is clear. 2736. Actually these two can be eliminated very fast. 15 digital sum is 1 plus 5 6. 6 square is 36. 3 plus 6 9. 36 digital sum is also 9. If I add two numbers whose digital sum is 9, for this question digital sum should be 9. These is not 9, these is not 9. And anyway, it is not ending with 0 also. 5 square is 25, 5 2s are 10, 0, 0 plus 6 is 6. Unit digit has to be 6. Unit digit has to be 6. I hope the idea is clear. Unit digit has to be 6. Next one. 49 power 15 minus 1 is exactly divisible by, is exactly divisible by, is exactly divisible by. You can check it by using answer option. 49 power 51 minus 1. Now see here. Suppose if I keep the option 8. 49 power 15 minus 1 when divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. What is the remainder? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is one way. Use answer options. Answer options application. Answer options application. Answer option application. First one. Or otherwise, a power n minus b power n. If n is odd, it is always divisible by a minus b. It is always divisible by a minus b. 49 power 15 minus 1 is always divisible by 48. 48 is nothing but 6 into 8. So answer is 8. Answer is 8. Idea clear, right? Next one. I hope the idea is clear. The least natural number which must be added to 6709 plus x, so that answer is divisible by 9. 6709 plus something should be divisible by 9. Any number multiplied by 9, digital sum will be 9. Digital sum will be 9. What is the digital sum of this number? 6 plus 7, 13. 13 digital sum is 4. 4 plus something is 9. That x value will be 5. That x value will be 5. Idea clear, right? X value will be 5. 13 digital sum is 4. X value will be 5. Next question. These are all very easy questions. That is why I am going little fast. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 6? There are 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 6. 3-digit numbers starts from 100 and it's at 999. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 9? 102. 102 is nothing but 6 17s are 102. Lowest. Highest is 996. 6 into 166. So from 17 to 166. 17 to 166. Number of natural numbers. Number of natural numbers. Number of natural numbers from a to b is given by b minus a plus 1, which is nothing but 167, 6 minus 17 plus 1. So 149 plus 1. So answer for this question is 150. Answer for this question is 150. Simple divisibility rule which are divisible by 6. 3-digit numbers are from 100 to 999. Lowest number is 102, which 17s are 102. Highest number is 996. 6 166 are 996. 17 to 166. So the total numbers will become 166 minus 17 plus 1. 149 plus 1, 150. Next one. If the sum of the digits of any integer lying between 100 and 1000, any number lying between 100 and 1000 is nothing but a 3-digit number. If the sum of the digits of this number, sum of the digits of this number is nothing but, sum of the digits of this number is nothing but a plus b plus c is subtracted from the number. C is units place, b is tens place, a is hundreds place. So it is 100a plus 10b plus c. If the sum of the digits is subtracted from the number itself, 100a plus 10b plus c minus of a plus b plus c. C cancel. 100a minus a is 99a. 10b minus b is 9b. So if I take 9 common into 11a plus b, 9 into any number, answer will be divisible by 9. I hope it is clear. You can also take a simple number and you can check it out. 123 is the number. 123 is subtracted from the sum of the digits. So it is 117. 117, what is the sum of the digits? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. You can take a dummy number and you can also check it out. Or you can take a generic number and you can check it out. Idea clear, right? Next one. If a number 48327 star 8 is divisible by 11, what is the divisibility rule of 11? Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places should be divisible by 11. Odd places, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Minus of even places, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus star should be divisible by 11. 22 minus 10, it is 12. 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So answer for this question is 1. I hope it is clear. This question checks the divisibility rule of 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places should be divisible by 11. Odd places sum came out to be 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. 2 plus 2, 4. Even places came out to be 10 plus star. From there you can check it out. I hope it is clear, right? Next one. Both the end digits of a 99 digit number. Totally I am keeping 97 digits here. 97 digits are blank. But the end digits are both the end digits of a 99 digit number are 2. n is divisible by 11. If it is divisible by 11, then all the middle digits are. We will discuss this question little later. The largest natural number that exactly divides each number of the form n cube minus n. n cube minus 1 is n into n square minus 1. n into n minus 1 into n plus 1. These are nothing but the 3 consecutive natural numbers. 3 consecutive natural numbers. Product is always divisible by divisible by 6. Product of 3 consecutive natural numbers is always divisible by 6. So answer for this question is 6. I hope the idea is clear. Product of 3 consecutive natural numbers is always divisible by 6. Right? Now, what least number of 5 digits is divisible by 41? Divisibility rule for 41. What is the divisibility rule for 41? 41 is nothing but 41. Can I write 41 as 4 into 10 plus 1 or 1 into 4 minus 4? It is nothing but 0, right? So take the rightmost digit. Multiply it by 4. multiply it by 4, subtract it from the remaining. Subtract it from the remaining. If I subtract it from the remaining, answer should be either be divisible by 41 or it should give 0. Right? Take the unit digit, multiply by 4, subtract it from the remaining, and continue the process. Continue the process till you get the answer divisible by 41 or 0. This is known as theory of osculation. This is known as theory of osculation. Divisibility rule for 41. Suppose if first option is there, 1045. Take the unit digit, multiply it by 4. 5 4s are 20. Subtract it from the remaining number. If I subtract it, this is nothing but 984. Am I right? Take the unit digit, multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 98 minus 16, which is 82. Is 82 divisible by 41? Yes. So the answer for the first question is 1045. Take the rightmost digit, multiply it by 4, subtract it from the remaining. Continue the process till the answer is divisible by 41. Till the answer is divisible by 41. I hope the idea is clear. We will do as many questions as possible based on the divisibility rule. How many natural numbers between 1000 and 5000 are exactly divisible by 225. 225. Now if you see 225 5s are 25, 12, 5 2s are 10. 1125 is the first number. 1125 is the first number. Let us check. 225, how many times it goes? 225 2s are 450. Again 225 2s are, let me do 22 times. 5 22s are 110. 22 2s are 44. 44 plus 11 55. 22 2s are 44. 44 plus 5 49. 4950. So from 5 to 22. Next number will become 4950 plus 225 is, it is greater than 5000. So from 5 to 22 means answer will be 22 minus 5 plus 1, 17 plus 1. Answer for this question is 8. 22 minus 5, 17. 17 plus 1, answer is nothing but 18. Idea clear, right? You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free.